Who does not love memes? Everyone enjoy watching or creating memes in the internet. But what if I told you you can make money with those memes? So today I will show you the funniest way to make money online, 100% legit, and everyone can do it without experience and without any skills needed. Just share your meme. If people like it, you will earn your money. That's it. So please smash the subscribe button right now to help other people watching this video. Are you do it? Okay, now let's get started. How we can post memes and earn money. So today I present to you MoolaMeme. MoolaMeme is the all-new meme-based version of Medium.com. It is a groundbreaking new cloud-based income app that requires zero traffic, getting and zero selling. Nothing could be easier. We think it's the perfect online opportunity for all ages, all skills levels, all schedules, all budgets, and more. Users literally get paid on autopilot as every single time another MoolaMeme user clicks to like one of their memes. It's the perfect kid simple online income system that virtually anybody can do. So it's simple, you publish your meme inside MoolaMeme, and when another user like your meme, you earn a commission. So there is 3 steps to use MoolaMeme. Step number 1, log into your MoolaMeme account. Step number 2, create and submit a fun meme with MoolaMeme easy built meme generator. And step number 3, get paid on autopilot every single time another MoolaMeme user simply clicks to like one of your memes. Also, you can create memes inside MoolaMeme using simple 60-second meme generator to create and submit unlimited memes. Just a few clicks and your meme is ready. Nothing to learn, hundreds of included stickers with the possibility to create custom stickers. You can use it a built-in meme editor, become an artist, crop images, add stickers or text to create your own memes. So here in the sales page, introducing the WordForce app to make us up to plus 500 autopilot commissions payment daily with absolutely zero traffic. So this is some features to use MoolaMeme, make us commissions on 3 autopilot, 0 traffic and clicks ever needed, also 0 selling ever needed, like nothing you ever seen before. It's a ton of fun. Auto commissions ready in 60 seconds flat, so easy my kids can do this. Unlimited cash potential, works great even for internet dummies. Simplement the autopilot lifestyle. So here's how we can activate MoolaMeme. Like I said before, the first step is log into your account. We just log into the breakthrough cloud-based app our genius coders created for us. The second step is post a meme. We use a built-in kid simple tool to post a meme to the app within seconds. It's very fun. And the step number 3 is relax and collect. When then sit back and relax while getting paid on autopilot every single time a user likes one of your memes, which we call a cash bump. So this is a little comparison between MoolaMeme and Medium.com. MoolaMeme is the all-new meme-based version of the $600 million Medium.com platform. Medium users make up to plus $40,000 per month, but to make money on Medium, you have to write articles. Most people hate writing. On the other hand, creating memes is instant, fun and easy, something even kids love doing. So my team and I created MoolaMeme from the ground up to make easy autopilot money with funny and interesting memes like this. So this is example of the memes you will watching all the time inside MoolaMeme. So now let's jump inside MoolaMeme to see how it's work. So this is the dashboard of MoolaMeme. So here's some trending memes. So click here to start. After you can watch this video to see how you can create memes inside MoolaMeme using Meme Factory. So this is your meme bank. Here you will find your commissions. So if you like this button, the other user will earn a commission. Also, you can download any meme you want just clicking at this button. So let's create a meme using Meme Factory. So this is some rules you must respect to keep using MoolaMeme. So your meme must be original to MoolaMeme, meaning you cannot copy pre-existing memes to our site from outside sources or from other MoolaMeme users. After submit your meme and wait. If your meme are funny and other users love it, you will earn a commission. But you must know guys that MoolaMeme is not free, it's a paid membership. You must pay one time to enjoy the platform and then you start to earn money. The more memes you create, the more money you collect. And the platform is under development. They want to keep it just for interested people when there is some people making hundreds of dollars every single day just posting their memes. So guys, that's it. You will find MoolaMeme in the description below. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and please give the video a like for the algorithm of YouTube. And yeah, stay safe guys, and see you on the next video.